Hi everyone, this is Rockin' Reviews, and Emily and Ellie are here with some things they got from Walmart. They got some My Little Pony blind bags, some Kinder Surprise eggs, and today Emily has a friend with her friend Jessie. Say hi everybody.
Hi.
Hi everybody, she says. Ellie, what do you have in your blind bag today? Did you open it?
Okay, let's open the Kinder.
Hold on. One thing at a time.
We got a mine pin.
What kind of pony is that? Let's see. Show it to your fans. Get up to the camera.
Guys,
Do we have him? We have him, I think.
we do.
We do have him. It's a duplicate.
What's it called? He is very, very adorable.
Yeah, he's still cute. We could still use him.
And we could. Whoa, dang.
Yeah, what's his name? It's on the other side's his name. That's Berry Rich. Okay, open up that one, Ellie.
Over here.
You guys are working at the Kinder
And
eggs.
Jesse showed them the chocolate.
Yeah, it has chocolate inside.
And you get a little spoon right here. And you get to dig out your chocolate.
Yeah, you get to scoop it and eat it.
Jesse, you could like set the
Can you
spoon.
get it? Pull it open.
Liz, later we
Get
can
it?
try some out.
Pull it hard.
But
What's in
we will
there?
also use a regular spoon for you, right?
Who is that? Is that a new one?
Look at that, guys.
Wow, is that a new one? That's a new one, Ellie. Show the fans.
What did you get? And
Emily, look at that pony.
Oh
It's a new one.
God.
Ellie, get the card out. We gotta see
God.
what it is. Just didn't get it all over the table. Let's see what you guys got. You guys gotta build trucks. Emily has to build a truck, and
check over
she has
at
a little.
Jessie.
Look at the little road you can drive your truck on then when you're done. Emily, start building. These stickers go on the sides of your car and stuff. These right here and on the hood. Put your stickers on then. There's the candies with the spoon. This one is pretty neat compared to some of the ones we get. Some of the ones I don't care for because they just seem like a little bit of junk, but this one here is pretty interesting. A car and a maze.
You could actually use it.
Yeah, look, there's another piece to your car, Emily. It's green and purple. Yeah, hold on. We'll eat some chocolate here in a few minutes.
In the video, and tell them which one's the best.
And what is this thing?
I don't know. It looks like
It tells you steps to take to put it together. You just have to follow the steps to get it together. So
If you could try to build it.
they're not that hard to build.
I built mine. Look, it's like a little truck. Wait.
Did you put the stickers on? Put your stickers on.
Here, let me build it. Mommy, I want to eat chocolate. Which ones
Hold
go
on.
on the sides? This one goes on top.
These ones
Oh,
go
that's
on
the
the
top.
sides.
Where's
See?
the top?
See how's it?
Where's
Yeah, it
the top?
spins. Yeah, it spins.
Even though I already have
Put
the top.
those ones on the sides.
This one?
Hold on.
It's the little one.
Just a minute. Okay. Still working at them. That is an awesome pony, Ellie. Ellie got Fluffy Cloudsdale. We've never seen that pony yet before. That one's very, very different. Very super cool.
I probably see most of them as I watched the movie in the theaters.
Yeah, but I don't think Fluffy Cloudsdale was in that
Jesse is going to
Ellie's
watch
playing
the
with it.
Peter Rabbit movie. I already watched it. Is it good?
Peter Rabbit? Yeah, I
it
wanted
was
to
so
see it.
good. Is it very?
And Jessie's still building that top. It's a top. You spin it. Oh,
I think
there you go.
Oh, that's cool.
Very neat. You can decorate it with these things.
You like how to put them
You
on.
put those things on to decorate
Let
it.
me show you. You could go like.
And there is Emily's truck she got. You can take the road.
Is that all?
Drive it on.
What is?
Okay. So you guys, are you going to taste your chocolate, Emily?
Yep, we are.
Let your fans know how your
And
Kinder
wait, Jesse,
chocolate
I'm gonna
tastes.
get you a regular spoon. Yeah. You want to dig it?
That's fine. She got it. She got it.
You try it that way.
It's a good chocolate.
And then I could just use.
You have a spoon. Okay, say bye, Rockin' fans. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos and give us a big thumbs up and let us know what your favorite ponies and your coolest Kinder Surprise toys have been in the comments below. And we will see you soon.